Hello. How you guys doing this evening? I wanted to come as I have some trademark certificates to announce, and so I'm excited about that. To announce these new trademark owners. Hey, how you doing, girl? So let me get started. Hey, you Tunde, congratulations on your doctorate degree. That is so amazing. Congratulations. Okay, y'all, so they have their 250-year anniversary at the Trademark office. So they are putting the years on the trademark and the seal. So, yes. So, congratulations to Worth Persified by our client who is in Gardenia, California. So yes, you guys, even though I am from Chicago, Illinois, the practice is in Chicago, but I actually live in Atlanta, Georgia. But because I practice federal law, I'm able to represent clients all across the country and even the world, okay? I definitely need to give out, yes, make sure you get with Sakina so she can order it. It's $50 to order the certificates. And then we will get them. They'll come here. I'll announce them. Then I'll send them to our processing center, and they will scan them, send you an email copy, and then they will mail them out. Okay? The next one is Mary Mom's Natural CBD out of Tucker, Georgia. So not far from me. So congratulations. And this is their name and their logos together. So, congratulations to them. I thought I had some water in here. Guess not, huh? Okay. Next one is Hookah Honeys. Congratulations out of Charlotte, North Carolina. This one, we have to fight for this one. So, I know the client is going to be happy for Hookah Honeys. So, congratulations to the client for that. Let's see what we got next. Whose trademark we got next? Whoa. I have about 8 of them. So if y'all want to stick with me. So comment secure the brand. If you've been saying you need to get your brand trademarked, you needed to get your brand protected, comment secure the brand. So you can have your brand protected. Okay. Luxury Revolved. Oh, I can't say this, but it's in Mississippi. Pascagou, Pisaluka, Mississippi. Maybe I said it right, maybe not. Luxury Revolve. Congratulations. I told y'all my clients are all over. Where are you guys from? Drop your city and state. Where are you guys tuning in from? Let's see. Drop your city and state so I can know where you guys are tuning in from. And as I announce these trademark certificates, let me see what we got here. Count the Draw. Oh, he's going to be happy to. Staten Island, New York. So congratulations. Count the Draw. Okay, Charlotte, North Carolina. We just announced the certificate from there. Hookah Honey. So congratulations. Where the rest of y'all from? What city and state are y'all from? KTD, which stands for Count the Draw. So this client did their trademark and their logo with their acronym. So congratulations. Yes, tell me where y'all tuning in from. What city and state? And KTD is from Staten Island, New York as well. Okay. Orangeburg, South Carolina. Okay, the Carolinas is in the house. Okay. Better version intellective healthcare. Okay, and this is about the Mississippi again. These Mississippi, and this is TUPELO. Tolupa, Mississippi. Congratulations. I hope I said that right. Okay, last but certainly not least, let me see. And if you guys have been saying you need to get your trademark, then you want to comment secure the brand so all the information can come to your DM on how to get the process going, how to get the process started. And I'm going to explain as well how to do that. So you guys can get one of these nice yellow envelopes, okay? Tizzy Essential Academy, okay, out of New York as well. Congratulations to them. Okay, so real quick, let me explain how you will actually go through the process if you wanted to get your brand trademarked and your brand secured. So first thing first, comment secure the brand, and all the information will come to you, the links and stuff like that. Now, our trademark process is $19.97. That includes us doing the research. So once you book your trademark package, you're going to have an onboarding call, and then all of your onboarding documents will be sent to you, including an intake form. We ask that you complete your intake form as soon as possible. And then what we're going to do is we are going to do the research. And once we do the research, we are then going to put those results in what we call an opinion letter. And once we have the opinion letter finalized, we are going to email you the opinion letter with a link to book your one-on-one call with our office. And you'll have a call with the attorney. So you'll have 2 calls in this process at least. 1, your onboarding call, and then 2, your one-on-one call with the attorney. Now, once you go over the search results with the attorney, you get to decide if you're comfortable with moving forward with the application process or not. If you are comfortable, if not, if we suggest you don't move forward because we found something either confusingly similar to your name, then you get to pick up to 2 names, and we'll search them at no additional cost, okay? Now, once we do the research, and get on a call, if everything is good, we'll go ahead and file the application. Now, once we file the application, it's going to take the government, it used to take them 3 to 4 months, but then COVID happened, so then they went all the way to 8 to 9 months, not because they shut down or anything, but just because the government has taken a longer time to process it because so many people were filing trademarks during COVID. In fact, that was the highest time that people have filed trademarks in history. But now they're about 4 to 5 months out. So they're catching up. They're getting, they hired some people, less filings have come through. So now it'll take them about 4 to 5 months to review the application. Once they review the application, eat on the tracks is fire. Once they review the application, they can either approve it. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. And we will be in touch with you as we are going through your process with your trademark. So we responded for you. Now we're just waiting to hear back from the government. So once they review it, they can either approve it or issue an office action. If they approve it, it goes to what's called publication for opposition. Publication for opposition allows anyone in the public 30 days to oppose the trademark. If no one comes forth and opposes the trademark, congratulations, you're going to get one of these trademark certificates, right? Well, you have to, we give you an electronic copy. They give you an electronic copy. If you want one, like an actual one, so you could frame it and hang it up, then that's where you have to pay an additional $50, right? Because now the government used to automatically just mail them for free, child. But then, once Trump became president, they got charged for everything. So now they charge $25 a certificate. And then we charge $25 because we have to package them and mail them and process them and things like that. So good evening. And so that's if everything goes well, all goes well. And right now, you can probably, if you sign up today or if you come and secure the brand today, it's May now. So by, I would say, so it could take about 7 to 9 months for everything to go through if all goes well, right? Now, let's talk about if all don't go well, right? So let's back up. If the government actually take issue with the application, they're going to issue what's called an office action. Wow, I got mine free 5 years ago. Yes, 5 years ago it was free. They started charging for them in 2024. 2022 actually is when they started charging for them. So let's go back. If the government takes issue with the application, they're going to issue what's called an office action. The office action can require either a substantive response or non-substantive response. If it's a non-substantive response, that means something minor is going on and they just want us to fix it. And we will do that at no additional cost. But now, if it's a substantive matter, that means that the government is refusing it on a legal basis, which requires legal research and writing. And if that is the case, then that's where it's required that we have to argue and fight for the brand. And so that's where an additional cost come in, because we have to prepare that legal brief. We have to fight for it. It's $1,500. We don't want our clients paying anything in addition to what they paid up front. That's why we do the research in the beginning. That's why we have the one-on-one call. That's why we try to help you spot those issues in the beginning. And also, too, at the very least, because some people do want to fight for their brands, right? Hold on. So some people want to fight for their brands. They don't want to, because they've been investing, they've been using it. So they're willing to take the risk and take the challenge. And sometimes we may say it may be refused, but it might not be refused, right? So people still move forward with the process, okay? And they, sometimes people have invested hundreds of thousands of dollars in their brand already before they even thought about doing a trademark process. And so now paying $19.97 and then an extra $1,500 to fight for it, that's less than $3,500. And if you already spent $100,000, $50,000 on the brand, the $3,500 may not be an issue for you guys. Okay, so I always say the law is not a one-size-fits-all garment. It really just depends on your circumstances and your case. But what I will tell you is make sure that you are not building a business or a brand if you don't own it. And just because you have your LLC, that does not mean that you are fully secure, right? And if you want to be the exclusive owner to your brand, like these new brand owners, right? They have their trademark now, and it's now covered not only in their state, but they're covered across the country now because they have trademark protection and it's registered with the federal government, okay? So if you guys have any questions, I don't want to make this video too long, but feel free to send me a DM. If you're ready to get started, please comment secure the brand so we could go ahead and help you get started with the trademark process. And yeah, like if you guys have any questions, I am free to answer them, but I wanted to keep this video short just in case somebody had some quick questions about the process and they can run through them really quick. And I'm going to save this video and I'm going to put it on my page because normally I don't put them on my page, but I feel like I'm going to put this one on my page so that you guys can go and look at it and let me know if you guys have any questions or any concerns or anything like that. Okay? All right. Well, I thank you all so much and I will talk to you later. Thank you all for tuning in. And then, like I said, if you have questions, if you're ready to move start, just comment below. Secure the brand. If you're watching a replay, comment replay so I know you came here and watched it and you are watching it all, as a replay, but also comment secure the brand. And if you comment replay, just so I know you are watching the replay, it helps to let me know people are really watching the trademark and they want to the package. I mean the live videos, and they're interested in trademarks and they want to actually see more of these live videos from me, if that makes sense. Okay? All right, you guys. Thank you so much. Didn't want to make it long. Okay. I will talk to you all later, and you guys have a great evening. And comment secure the brand if you want more information. Yes, and secure the brand is a registered trademark owned by me. Okay, so yes. Okay, take care. Bye bye.